All right, we got this wood dresser. We're gonna redo it for my daughter. It looks like it's solid wood, probably pine. 4 drawers. Maybe it's glued to the top's glued. I don't think so. But we're gonna take it apart as much as we can and do something cool with it. Let's go. So this top was glued, which isn't awesome. So I think we're just gonna try and bang it off. Hopefully there's not a lot of rip from the glue. Usually the glue's stronger than the wood. But I want to get the top off because I want to do something different with the top. Everything else I think I'm going to leave intact, sand it down, take all the stain, all the finish off. But let's see if we can get the top off.